Hey Andrew, Vincent Parker here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. I want to thank you for your online inquiry on the brand new beautiful Honda Ridgeline Black Edition. Now I know you spoke to Gina and Robert about this vehicle, so they asked me to do a quick video to just kind of show you some of the features on this vehicle. So I want to start by telling you about the Honda Sensing Package. It's going to come with your monocular camera here on the front and also a sensor right here behind your H. That's going to be your adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, lane departure mitigation, and forward collision braking. What that means is going to help keep you and the vehicle safe and on the road at all times. Also, you're going to get your daytime LED running lights just to give the car a nice sporty look. Also, you're going to get your LED fog lights here as well as LED headlights. Nice black wheels. This is the black edition, so everything on this vehicle is blacked out. We're going to have keyless entry right here on the doors as well. So just put your hand on the door, automatically unlocks it. On the inside, beautiful black and red interior. As you can see here, got the red stitching on it with the holes in it as well. Heated seats, nice touchscreen audio display. All of your controls are easy on the steering wheel. Sunroof in this vehicle. In the back of the vehicle, plenty of space as well. You also have the magic seats back here. Not sure if you're familiar with them or not, but on the Ridgeline, the seats fold up just to give you that extra space and comfort in case you need to put anything inside the vehicle. Now, the pride and joy of the Ridgeline, personally for me, is the bed. So back here, the bed opens up a few different ways. You can swing it out wide just like so. And it also has a trunk in here as well. You can pop the trunk, it is vacuum sealed. So you can put ice down here, use it as a cooler, or just use it as another storage space for the vehicle. So many different options for this vehicle. Also, lays flat down just like so. So you can put some plywood in here, whatever else you may need or maybe using it for. So much on this vehicle I cannot fit in this short video, but I cannot wait to show you in person. Please reach out to me and give me a call at 205-821-7846. And if it's one thing I can guarantee you, when you get here to Tameron, you're gonna love the way you're treated.